So, Virtuous Nation, you don't know, we're back again, you know what I mean? Big up everybody and ting. So, you don't know, so since we're up on the island now, we have to bring in some nice island cooking, some proper vibes, some proper energy. And I mean at the kitchen this time, but, you know what I mean? The old man him there doing ting. You don't know, you big up yourself as always. You know I go up on camera? No? So, you don't know, as we say, we're in the kitchen now. You know what I mean? Today we're going to match up. What we're match up today? We're match up some curry goat, you know what I mean? Real authentic, real Jamaican style curry goat, you know what I mean? Gravy, thick up, carrot, Irish, scallion, thyme, all them kind of things there. When you don't know the things, you're missing. And ginger. And ginger. You know what I mean? That's the flex. That's the flex. But yeah, alright, so the ginger make the flavor. It's a different vibe, it's a different style. So you know what I mean? I'm going to show you in our pot now. I'm going to cut up the seasoning and all kind of thing. So no big up on yourself as always, people. You see it?
Ash bandit pepper.
Alright.
Salt and everything.
Salt, everything. That's in the pot right now. You don't know the meat in there, the ginger in there, everything in there. I cut up a tomato now. You know what I mean? It's going to be mad, people. It's going to be wicked. You know what I mean? Finger licking good. Not KFC, but finger licking good. Always. Isn't it? Yeah. You don't know where to put in a big bad scotch bonnet tonight. There's no food that's nice without scotch bonnet, you know what I mean? So, yeah man, pepper and spice, everything nice. You know the thing said. He's a real old chef in the kitchen, you know what I mean? In bad pan, all kind of meat, all kind of fish, everything. Anything you don't know, he can do anything. But yeah, we just there going easy in the meantime. We just chop up them and we'll put in some carrot now. You know what I mean? Make the gravy get thick up and all them kind of flex there. You see it? So we don't go pick the coconut now to make the coconut milk. I don't know how to do it the real yardman style. We're not going to use no tin milk because we have the coconut tree out here and everything. But yeah peeps, so this is in the pot now as I say. You know what I mean? It's looking scrumptious, it's looking nice. Oh man, you can just smell the aroma already. Clear flavor, all them good stuff, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do now, we're going to join the back with you know. You know what I mean? We're going to pick the coconut.
We're going to rub it up and rub up the meat like it marinates.
Alright. And make it soak in. And then when we're ready for cook it up now, we match up with it. You see?
Yeah, so here we go.
Alright. This is where the journey begins, you know?
Set, so we're gonna leave it to marinate now.
Alright, so that's set now. How long would we leave it for, Ellie?
Well, roughly 2 hours, then you should be fine.
Alright, so you don't know, as we said, make it stay for about 2 hours, maybe even 2.5.
Then we're gonna slow cook.
You can't have that without rice and peas, you see me? Straight up. Alright people, so as we say, you don't know, we just make that go on soak in the meantime, and we do journey back we do no and thing. We start do the rice and thing. We do video that part there as well, you know what I mean? But we're about to go get a coconut now from the coconut. So we're about to get a coconut now from the coconut tree. And we just do grate it and then, you know, juice it. Real yardman style, real Jamaican style, you know what I mean? So yeah, we'll just journey for that part there. I will link on the back. Yeah.
That's what you're saying, bro.
So this is Muffin first time eating a proper mango.
I can't even find it.
Go on. It's sweet, innit? You don't know, that's the rice and peas right there. Coconut milk strain out everything. You know what I mean? Mother road. And this is the part we're gonna chef up some curry goat. You know what I mean? So this is throwing some oil now. Sweet. So you don't know. The goat has been marinating for about 2 hours, but it well soaking. You don't know the seasoning, the onion, the thyme, the scallion, everything, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, everything in there. See me I say, you don't know the pot to eat up, you know what I mean? And you don't know, we're going to use this old technique of burning the curry. Not a lot of people burn the curry, but you don't know the things that if you want the thing authentic and natural, you have to burn the curry. Jamaican style, real yardman style, real virtuous style. You see me I say? So I will just throw some in that pot, you see me?
The curry.
And just make it just, you know, fry out and thing in a hot oil. You know what I mean? It's a medium to high heat. It's not too much, You see me I say? So what we do, we just scald off the curry now, we cut out the radish and all them kind of things. I don't know, we're gonna throw in the meat after. So this is how you do it, peeps. You don't know. You throw in the curry and just take time and stir it on and make sure so you know it don't burn. You know what I mean? Because if it burns, it's gonna be bitter. You don't want that. So you just take time and stir it on, make it everything just cook out one time. In the oil. Alright. That is it, people. You see? Yeah, man, you just take your time and just throw it in same way so. That's the mutton right there. I tell the people you can just smell the essence. It's unbelievable right now, people. You see what I say? I don't know, as we say, seed boss in a building in bed going easy. And he's an island boy. In bed easy. Yeah, man, look at that, people. Look on the beautiful colors. Look on the meat itself, man. Very soft and very nice. You know what I mean? Look at that. Doing a little closer for what we do on our stuff. You see what I say? It's alright.
We're locking out of the pot now.
Alright, so you don't know, as the big chef said, we're going to lock it out now. Right now, as we said, we're going to leave that for about an hour and a half. Make everything slow cook. You know what I mean? As always, nothing but the slow cook, because you don't know the meat nice and tender that way. So yeah, we're just going to match up that in the meantime, and we're going to link with the back, people. You see me I say? You don't know the rice and peas that are boiled up and ting. But yes, you leave about curry water, you see me? And it's looking so good, it's smelling so scrumptious, I can't lie, people, it's just mad. It's all a fuck up the camera now, man. You see me? Yes, peeps, so you don't know, say, this is in the goat pot. Real and proper curry goat, you don't know the thing set, you don't know, so we have the rice and peas a bubble up over here, so. And the curry goat, man, can't say pot just yellow and it's like, say, stain. You know what I mean? That's how we like it, real and proper. Anybody this could steal and copper, you see it? It's very hot right now, you know what I mean? I want to take this time out to wish everybody, you know, say a prosperous new year as the thing set, you know what I mean? Open up, go and do anything, you know what I mean? Love for the likes, the support, the comments, you know what I mean? All kind of things, you know, don't know the thing set. You don't know, muffin there and I building. As always, you know, want some muffin, she's right there, you don't know. Where do you want to say? Anyway, you don't know, we're going to journey back in time the food starts share. I know you don't know the things. You see me I say, peeps, big up on a nice clean self as always. I don't know, it's nothing but love on my side, you see me?